A special court granted conditional bail to BJP MLA N. Muniratna on Thursday. This comes after his arrest on the multiple charges, including the use of caste slurs. The court, after reviewing his bail plea, allowed his release on two conditions. That is, he provides 2 lakh bond and 2 sureties. The court also ordered that he must not tamper with the evidence or also interfere with the ongoing investigation. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Muniratna had been lodged in Parapanna Agrahara prison in connection with a separate SC/ST atrocity case, but was rearrested moments after his release. This time, the charge was far more severe, a case of repeated rape. A 40-year-old social worker had launched a complaint against him, accusing him of sexually assaulting her multiple times. Muniratna had been in custody for 3 days in connection with the SC/ST case. The case had been registered at the Vyalikaval police station in Bengaluru. He was arrested in Kolar's Mulabakal Taluk on September 14. Though the court granted him bail in that case, but the Kagalipura police were quick to arrest him again in connection with the new charges of rape as soon as he stepped out of the prison. The woman's complaint filed with the Kagalipura police on Wednesday night details serious accusations of rape, sexual harassment, voyeurism and criminal intimidation. Along with Muniratna, 6 others identified as Vijay Kumar, Sudhakar, Kiran Kumar, Lohit Kauda, Manjunatha and Loki have been also named in the FIR. According to police, the complainant underwent a medical examination and her statement was also recorded before the magistrate. The police also visited the warehouse where the incident took place. The Kagalipura police has booked the case under multiple sections of the Indian Penal Code, inclusive of the ones related to rape, sexual harassment, voyeurism and extortion. Additional charges had been also filed under the Information Technology Act, including a digital element to the already complex case. This latest case is a part of string of the legal troubles for Muniratna, who represents the Raja Rajeshwari Nagar constituency. Earlier this week, he was charged with threatening a cooperator and making caste-based insults, adding to the list of accusations. This new rape case is the third criminal charge against him since September 13. In the complainant's statement, the social worker claims that Muniratna initially contacted her through WhatsApp in 2020, expressing interest in her work. The two eventually met and the relationship allegedly took a dark turn. The woman accuses Muniratna of making inappropriate advances, which later escalated to coercion and rape. According to the complaint, Muniratna pressured the girl into numerous degrading acts, consisting of pressuring her to undress on a video call. When she refused, he allegedly lured her to a go-down in Muthalyanagar, wherein he sexually assaulted her. The MLA reportedly used his political clout to manipulate and control her, threatening to damage her popularity if she did not comply with his demands. The complaint additionally accuses Muniratna of the use of threats to involve the girl in the illegal activities. She claims he showed her CCTV pictures from the go-down. The use of it was to blackmail her into helping him with honey trapping schemes. These schemes were used to target the political figures and other individuals, and also allegedly involved in exploiting explicit videos and images to blackmail and control his rivals. The woman's ordeal does not end here. She further alleged that Muniratna manipulated her into befriending another woman named Kavita, with the intent of entrapping her. The complaint describes how Muniratna and his associates took private photos and videos of Kavita during the resort trips and used these materials to attempt to frame her in criminal cases. Muniratna's alleged conduct goes beyond his interaction with the complainant. The FIR details sophisticated schemes aimed at discrediting and blackmailing political opponents, using explicit information as an advantage. Muniratna is also accused of organizing a team to carry out these illegal activities, including attacking police officers in order to gain control of important investigations. This new charge is a big blow to the Muniratna's political career. The MLA's legal troubles are piling up, with each new charge raising serious questions about his fitness as a political official. As the investigation continues, his political future hangs in balance, as does his public reputation. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.